Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Draxhall and we are giving you a tour of the Boot 2 construction. This is going to be the largest plaza in Draxhall and it's one of the largest developments taking place on the north coast. Now today we're going to talk about the Contractor, which is the second largest Chinese contractor operating in Jamaica. Now a lot of times people look at a work site and see a Chinese construction worker working, and they say, oh, that's China Harbor Engineering Company because they are the largest contractor in Jamaica. But that's not the case. Like this project we're looking at, I'm sure many people have passed it and thought, oh, that's China Harbor Engineering Company. But it's not. It's Henan Fifth Construction. They are one of the largest Chinese contractors in the world, and they are the second largest Chinese contractor working in Jamaica. They have done some mega projects. This one is one. They are the contractor on this project, and they have built thousands of homes in Jamaica. Now, recently, the Prime Minister announced that the NHT was to build more homes, larger developments, community sized developments. But Henan 5 has been doing that in Jamaica. They built a project that was 750 homes and they built one that's 500 homes. Okay, let's just tell you. The Henan 5 did the Mount Nelson housing development, which delivered 1,758 housing solutions on 500 acres near Mandeville. Then they are now doing the Galena housing development, which is going to be 360 houses up in St. Mary. And they did the Nagahead Integrated Business Center in St. Catherine. That's a large BPO complex in St. Catherine. And they are actually working on the Boundbrook Urban Center, which is the second urban center to be built in Jamaica, which is out in Portland. And I'm sure a lot of people think that it's China Harbor Engineering Company doing that development, but it's this company. And then they did the Greens at Hummingbird Estate, which is a $1 billion development, the gated community in Trelawney. So this is a major player in Jamaica. So we're going to give you a quick update on this contractor and also give you a tour of the Boot 2 Plaza construction. Henan 5th Construction Group Jamaica Limited, often called Henan 5, has become one of the fastest growing Chinese construction companies operating in Jamaica. The company is part of Henan 5th Construction Group of China and has expanded aggressively into housing, commercial, and mixed-use development across the island. Henan 5 gained major attention through its partnership with the Housing Agency of Jamaica and later the National Housing Trust on large-scale housing developments aimed at reducing Jamaica's housing shortage. One of its biggest early projects was the Rhine Park Estate development in Rose Hall, St. James. The $8.4 billion project included 754 housing units targeted mainly at tourism workers in Montego Bay and surrounding resort areas. The project was developed jointly with the HAJ. Henan's 5 stated during the Rhine Park launch that approximately 70% of the labor force would be Jamaican workers, while also promising skills transfer and job creation in the local construction industry. The company has since expanded into several other major developments across Jamaica, including the Boot 2 commercial complex in Draxhall, St. Ann. Henan 5 is a contractor for this massive Boot 2 commercial center being developed along the North Coast Highway corridor. The project includes cinemas, offices, restaurants, retail space, parking facilities, and transport infrastructure. Another major development is the Mount Nelson housing development, which This major NHT partnership will deliver about 1,758 housing solutions on nearly 500 acres near Mandeville. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. And did you guys automatically think it was China Harbor Engineering Company doing these mega projects? Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.